Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name and full rundown real quick?
Lewis Hatcher. I'm running 4 XFL 12s, 2 steps and 3500s.
Okay. Did you build this?
I did.
Okay. Do you know the specs of your enclosure real quick? Like what's it tuned to?
Tuned to 47 hertz.
Okay.
At 10.59 cubes.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Nah.
Not yet? Okay.
Not yet.
You happy with it?
So far.
Alright. Massive audio. Alright. How you doing?
Let that seat up, Joe.
Just put the seat up for me? Sorry. I'd like to check it out. Thank you. Nice. That's where your speakers were coming from, the music. Okay. What are these wired to? What are they? Are they
one on each?
One on? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you happy with them? Those are small, compact amps, man.
Yeah. So far, I'm gonna find out what they're putting out when they clean.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice work. That looks great. So you got some of the subs recessed. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I ended up with 2 newer bottles and they were a little bit taller.
Cut out where, the depth. Yeah. I'm gonna go check out the back real quick. Good space. Yeah.
Welcome to my dark side. We're gonna have a good time. Oh. To this
batteries and all of that? Do you have?
Amps behind the seat.
Okay.
Batteries are on that side of the truck in the bed.
Okay. Can I go see it?
Yeah, you can
Awesome.
line that seat up back there.
All right. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Lewis.
Lewis. All right. Thank you, Lewis. You have a good day. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.